This is SJ here, and our next DIY project is going to be really simple. You know how you go to the Dollar Tree and they never have any of those mirrors available? Well, this is your alternative of the mirrors. You want to get the Certificate of Achievements plaques. They usually come in a frame, which I have already painted silver. So you have the option to paint it silver, or you can leave it like it is. You're also going to need some supplies, some glue gun, some designs, and of course if you're going to do all of them together, you'll need some poster board or some kind of backing as well, or you can tape them in the back as well, or you can do individual mirrors. I'm just giving you this for demo purposes so you can see how to start your project. The main ingredients that are going to make this work is this, the Rust-Oleum mirror effect. This is going to transform the clear glass into mirror. Okay, so make sure you keep track of this video. If you don't believe me, be sure to follow it all the way through so you can see we changed these clear plaques here, this is what they look like, into glass mirrors. Okay, so first of all, you do need to shake your can for about 2 minutes. Set your timer so you know it's fully 2 minutes. You're going to spray the coat on here. Now, this is just the first coat. It's going to come in dull. Now, the key to this is that it does take several coats to make this work. Now, I let my niece do this and she was peeking. So, but if you can see, now all of a sudden you can see a mirror-like. Now, remember, these were plastic plaque frames, so you couldn't see no mirror. They would just see right through. But now they're starting to form the mirror section of them. Now, you need to spray them about 5 times and let them dry thoroughly, and be careful to touching around them with your hands because they will leave an impression that you may not be able to get out. So if you want to see how they came out or how she set them up, I'm going to link her video below. Be surprised with some things on there. Now, if you watch this, you can tell that the Mirror Effects by Rust-Oleum does work. It turned this plastic into a mirror because you can see the TV in the mirror side. But on the side that we sprayed, this is what you were seeing, is the dull look. Now remember, these are plastic see-through plaques that now we've turned into mirrors. So this is a great thing to use when Dollar Tree doesn't have any of those mirrors and you want to do a project that relies on mirrors. So now I didn't do a complete DIY on this. I let my niece finish it. So her link is below. Please stop by her page and check it out. And thanks for watching this episode of Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Life.